Hi, welcome back to our driving and learning session. I haven't been recording and driving for a while as I was away, and I was on vacation. And this is one of the rare vacations where I went and I haven't read any books. And today, my session or my recording is about books. And the last book that I read again was a book called 5 Minutes Manager. And it's one of the best books that I've ever read, and that's the only book that I have read 3 times. Or I generally don't read books more than once. I read a book once, I take some notes, I put some comments at the end of the book. But this book called 5 Minute Manager is the only book that I read more than once, and actually I read it 3 times, and I highly recommend it to pretty much anybody. You don't have to run a business to read this book. It is great for parents, it is great for people in general, but especially if you're running a business or if you're a manager. So pick up a copy. I don't know the authors of this book. There are 2 people who wrote this book together, and I never remember them. They're not that famous, but this book is really awesome. Now I'm going to be going on another vacation very soon, a short vacation, and I just wonder what book would you recommend for me to read next. So if you have a book that you love, that you read, that you would recommend, drop it in the comments and let me know what is a book that you would recommend. So thanks for stopping by for this short session, and see you at another time, another driving and learning session. Bye bye.